Evaluating expressions and combining like terms. Evaluate 3x plus 4y for x equals 2 and y equals 3. To evaluate this expression, you will take out the variables, the x and the y, and put in their values. So we're going to take out our x and put in the value of 2. Plus 4y, we're going to take out the value of y and put in a 3. Now, all you have to do to simplify the expression is just work it. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 4 times 3 is 12, equals 18. Combining like terms. Let's say I'm looking for books for my new classes. Let's say in our school we stack them in stacks of 20. I go looking and I find 3 stacks of books. And I find 2 more stacks of books. And then I keep looking in the book room and I find 1 more stack. And then I find 2 more stacks. But then someone comes and says, oh no, one of the stacks is theirs. So I have 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. I have 7 stacks of books. You can use the idea of combining like terms to evaluate expressions. So if we had this same expression, 2b plus 3b plus b plus 2b minus b for b equals 20, we could evaluate it by sticking in 20 for b all of these different times. But that would take us a long time and be a little silly. How about if we combine the things that look alike? 2b plus 3b plus b plus 2b minus 1b gives us 7b. So if you will combine your like terms first and then evaluate. Now let's stick in 20 for b. 7 times 20 equals 140. Now let's say I'm looking for markers for my classroom, and I go in the cabinet and I find 3 packs of markers, and I keep looking and I find another 2 sets of markers and another 4 boxes of markers, and then someone comes and borrows 2 sets of markers, and then I find 1 more set of markers. So how many do I have altogether? I have 3 plus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 1. We do all the positives together. 5, 9, 10 minus 2, I have 8 packs of markers. So if you see something that looks like evaluate 3m plus 2m plus 4m minus 2m plus m for m equals 8, stop for a minute and see if you can combine like terms. These all have an m in them, so we can use their coefficients or the numbers in front of them and add all of those up. So 3 plus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 1 gives me a total of 8m. Now substitute in for your variable and you get 8 times 8 equals 64. You might have an expression with many variables in it. This is 2m plus 2b plus m plus 3b minus b plus 4m. You can do it. All you do is look for all the things that are alike. That's why it's called combining like terms. So we have 2m plus another m plus 4 more m's. So 2, 3, 7m. Now let's look at the b's. We have 2 b's plus 3 b's gives us 5 b's so far, minus one of our b's. So 5 minus 1 is 4b, so plus 4b. Now we can evaluate. It'll be much easier now. We're going to put 7 times 5 plus 4 times b, we're going to substitute in, times 20. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 80 equals 115. When combining like terms, you want to identify the things that are alike. So in this expression we have 2x minus an x plus 3x. 2 minus 1 plus 3 is 4 x's. Now let's look for the y's. Plus 3y. Do we have any other y's? No. So plus 3y. But these right here are your constants. and they are considered like terms. So you can combine your constant, plus 4 and a plus 8 gives us plus 12. Now you can evaluate by sticking in your 5 for x and your 10 for y. So 4 times 5 plus 3 times 10 plus your constants, which were 12. So 20 plus 30 plus 12. 50, 62.